How to troubleshoot can't install Trend Micro Antivirus issue. For quick solutions. Method 1. Check for system updates. Step 1. Click on the Windows Start button and go to Settings. Step 2. Go to Windows Update and click Check for Update. Step 3. If there's an update available, it'll start downloading the update. Step 4. Once the update is complete, restart the system. Method 2. Check internet connection. Step 1. First, make sure that your wireless router is turned on. Step 2. Ensure that your device is connected to the wireless network. Step 3. Make sure that you have a stable network connection. Step 4. Now try to install Trend Micro Antivirus. Method 3. Restart PC in safe mode. Step 1. Click on the Windows Start button and click on the Power button. Step 2. Press the Shift key, then click on Restart. Step 3. Select Troubleshoot, then click Advanced Options. Step 4. Select Startup Settings, then click the Restart button. Step 5. Press the F4 key to select Safe Mode. Step 6. Once the system goes into safe mode, enter the password to sign in. Step 7. Now try to install Trend Micro Antivirus and see if it works. Method 4. Reinstall the application. Step 1. Click on the Windows search bar, then search and open Run. Step 2. Type in appwiz.cpl in the open field and press OK. Step 3. Locate and select the Trend Micro application, then click Uninstall. Step 4. Wait for the uninstallation process to complete, then click Finish. Step 5. Now download and install Trend Micro Antivirus. For more such help and information, visit us at www.antivirustales.com or call us at +1 857 557 6826 +44 161 791 4591.